Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to Beginner's Guide to Makeup, the series that helps busy women with their makeup struggles in just a few easy steps. Today, I'll be showing you how to create this super simple purple smoky eye, so if you're interested, then just keep on watching. For this lesson, you will need a white eyeshadow base or a concealer. You will need 4 different eyeshadow brushes, a blending brush, a smaller blending brush, a pencil brush, and also a flat eyeshadow brush. You will need 4 different eyeshadows, your mid-tone brown or your transitional shade. The shade of this will obviously depend on your skin tone. However, as a rule of thumb, I always say go between 1 to 2 shades darker. You'll need a lighter shade of purple, a dark shade of purple, and then also a matte white shade for the lid. You will need white eyeliner for the waterline to make the eyes pop, however you can use whatever colour you wish. And lastly, you can finish off with mascara or lashes of your choice. If you're new to makeup or my channel, you might be a little bit confused about eyeshadow placement and lingo, so let's quickly run through it. For this video, we're going to be focusing on the lid, which is the area between the top of the eyeball down to the lash line, the crease of the eye, which is where your transitional shade will go, which is right above the eyeball. Then you have your brow bone, which is the area just under the brow, your lower lash line, the area just under your lower lashes, and then also for this video we're going to be focusing on the outer corner of the eye. This is also called the outer V or the outer C. To begin, use your white concealer or your white base. You can pack this on using a brush or your fingers. Then take your larger blending brush and dip it into your mid-tone or your transitional shade. This is going to go right across the crease of the eye, which again is the area right above your eyeball. This should only be 1 to 2 shades darker than your skin tone because you don't want it to be too obvious. It's just going to help with blending and create a contour effect in the eye, which will recede any skin backwards, and it also just ties the whole look together and makes it seamless and flawless. Using the same blending brush, dip into the lighter purple shade. This can be any shade of purple you wish. I chose this one. And start to pack the eyeshadow right onto the outer corner of the eye. Once you have the colour in place and you're happy with the intensity, you can take your blending brush and slowly start to buff it out. Remember to hold the brush at the end of the handle for the least amount of pressure. With no additional product, tap over the outer edge of the eyeshadow just to make sure there's no harsh lines and it gradually fades out. Next, take a smaller blending brush for more control and your darker purple shade. And this time you want to pack it on the outer corner, but in a V shape or a C shape on the outer corner. So just kind of visualize that as you're packing on the colour. Once the colour is in place, you can go back to the larger blending brush and just swirl your brush in circular motions, and this will help to blend out the eyeshadow without moving it or without changing the intensity. Take your pencil brush and the darker purple eyeshadow and run this across the lower lash line, focusing mostly on the outer edge of the lashes, connecting it to the top lash line. Then you want to take your matte white eyeshadow, or you could choose something with a little bit of shimmer if you wish, and you want to use your flat eyeshadow brush and just pack this right into the inner corner, just blending it softly over the pink so it gradually fades into it. And you can also apply this on the brow bone as well. Now this is a more rounded shape, which is absolutely beautiful, but if you want to create more of a sharper edge, take a cotton pad soaked in eye makeup remover, fold it in half, lining it up with your lower lash line, and then just kind of rub it upwards. That will give you a sharper effect on the outer corner, kind of like a winged out effect. Then you can take your eyeliner pencil and just run this across the waterline. Like I said, you can use any colour that you like for this. I chose white because it really opens your eyes and makes them pop. And if you choose black, it will just close the eyes and make them appear a little bit smaller. So it really just depends what type of finish you're looking for. And then you can finish off with lashes if you wish. I really hope you enjoyed this week's makeup lesson. Pop back next Tuesday for another beginner's lesson, and feel free to check out the Beginner's Guide to Makeup playlist. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. My question to you is, what tip did you find most valuable from this video? Take care, and I hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye!